Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage out at the skate park. I've got the little drift truck out here today. It is in high speed, it has got the grip tyres on currently. If we go okay, I'll probably switch it onto the drift tyres and do a bit of that towards the end of the video. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. Let's hope today I don't have the problems I've had the last couple of times. I've brought stuff out here. This has got really low ground clearance, where I've broken stuff. It's running quite well. Let's get over here onto the actual concrete. Oops. I kept the throttle on and it brought it back up. Ooh! This is the area where I'm planning to drift it a bit later because there's some nice smooth concrete. You can see there at the minute it's got too much traction. It's loose grip. Right, let's see how it does on this first jump. Fantastic. Oh! Almost. Side angling of this is not going to be great. Little pumpy jump there and straight back at us. It's only running a single cell lipo, not lipo, lithium ion. A bit darty on the ah, yes. Coming back at us. I haven't quite got the run to get it up the top. Yes, it made it off the top of that. I was very surprised. Right, let's get to a position where we can see both sides of it. Didn't do it that time. Ooh! First time's a charm, they say. Keeping the throttle on, keeping the throttle on. Yes, managed to drive out that time. Happy with that. One more jump. Right. Let's stick this on the drift tyres and see how it does on those. So I'll come back to you in a few minutes once I've switched it over from these grippy tyres onto the drift tyres. And a few minutes later we're now over on the drift tyres. And we'll see how this does. Oh yes, much better. Pushing the front end dramatically. That's just flat out power there. Very little in the way of steering. Steering is more of a suggestion input at the minute. Glad that you've got this nice flat area to run this in. That was quite cool. I hopefully caught that on thingy. Didn't work as well that time. Yeah, so steering is just very minimal. Try and keep off the footage out of here. Yeah, it will just get up there. See it sliding down the oh, it's on the grass. No ground clearance. Can do the hump. Just flat out and forward and letting the drift wheels do the thing. When it runs out of traction, it just literally slides back down off those. So, grip down dirt. I like the running off the bank stuff. Whoop. Typical Sharky driving. Hopefully you're getting the good footage of this. Hopefully you're enjoying it. I'm having fun. And considering the cost of this thing, whoop. It does still run. Oh dear. Smiles for miles. Yep, flips over there. We'll do one more little bit and then call it a day, I think, because I haven't broken it yet, he says. You know that one little bit thing? Whoa. Right folks, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.